Assalamu-alaikum and welcome back to another new video. Let's start today's video immediately. So in today's topic we have a problem which that is your PUBG mobile matching problem, that your match starts very late, around 10 to 11 minutes, and most of the time you are unable to match because it is taking very longer. So how can you solve this problem? So there are only two solutions that you can do. First, disable the match by language option, and after that you can see that are you using a popular emulator for your game. If your emulator is not so popular among the PUBG players, so your matching time will be very long. The game will detect your emulator and tries to find that players that are using the same emulator. So try to use the most popular emulator for your PUBG game to start matching very fast, around maximum 2 minutes. So there's one solution that you can install GameLoop and play the PUBG in this emulator. This is the very popular emulator among the PUBG players, so your problem will be solved. If this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you are enjoying our videos and if this video is helpful and want to watch more videos from this channel, you can subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to all, so you will never miss any latest video from our channel. Thanks for your time. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.